In this video, I'll show you how to fix the suspicious account error on Bitget and get your access back safely. First, open the Bitget app or website and try to log in. If you see a message about suspicious activity or abnormal account behavior, don't panic. This usually means Bitget's security system has flagged your account for protection, not that your funds are gone. Next, check your email and SMS for any messages from Bitget. Often they'll explain why the account was limited and what you need to do, such as confirming it was really you, logging in, or verifying recent actions like a new device, IP address, or withdrawal attempt. Then go back to Bitget and head to Profile to Security or Account and Security. Make sure your KYC verification is completed, update any missing info, and change your password to something strong. If you haven't linked Google Authenticator yet, it's a good time to enable it for extra safety. If the error still appears, open the Help Center and contact support or live chat. Explain that you're seeing a suspicious account warning and provide screenshots and details when asked so they can review and unlock your account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.